Hey, what's going on? Welcome to BitZone. My name is Justin, and you want to know how to trade Bitcoin for beginners, and this is the best video you could have ever possibly landed on. Make sure to watch this video to the end. In this video, you're going to learn how to trade Bitcoin, but here's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to teach it to you right here, right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you the option to actually choose to do it manually or automatically. So, you want to know how to trade Bitcoin? Well, I am not some sort of master day trader, but I do know how to trade Bitcoin and look for the right signals. So if you want to know how to do it manually, check out freecryptouniversity.com in the link below in the description. And if you want to do it on autopilot, if you want to do it the way that I have found and the way that I'm doing now, so that I don't have to look at candle charts anymore, then simply visit justinleontemple.com in the description below, and you'll learn exactly how I'm day trading 15 plus altcoins on autopilot in my own Binance account without having to send Bitcoin to some third-party company in Dubai or some other third world country that I don't know about. So imagine being in control of all your Bitcoin all the time. And I know you're brand new to Bitcoin. I know you're just looking to get into trading, but maybe you've had some lending platform experience. Maybe you've had some previous Bitcoin purchases. But without further ado, you're either going to click the links or you're not. I give 13 newbie-proof day trading hacks to actually show you how to look for the right buy signals, the right sell signals, and when to wait. A lot of people don't know when to wait. So that's the kicker. People always think it's time to buy or always time to sell. Well, no, there's times to wait and to hold off and to be patient. So I teach you the 13 hacks to day trade, and then within those 13 hacks, there's 4 golden rules to know when to buy, when to sell, and when to wait, and then another one of when to wait. So if you want to do it manually, best place below is Free Crypto University. If you want to do it automatically, if you want to know how I'm trading 15 plus coins while I sleep, you can visit justinleontemple.com. You're going to be working with me personally. You're going to be joining my personal team at justinleontemple.com. You're going to be setting up your own bot. You're going to be you're going to have a team. Okay, I'm going to be there to support you. I'm going to be there to plug you into our team. I'm going to be there to plug you into our private Facebook group where you're going to have step-by-step instructions. Whether you want to do manual Bitcoin trading, whether you want to do automatic Bitcoin trading, whether you're a beginner, whether you're an intermediate, whether you've traded something before, or whether you've never looked at candlesticks, this is the best place. Choose what you want, manual or automatic trading. Obviously, manually is going to be free. You're going to be looking at candle charts. You're going to be grinding it out. Automatic is going to be a little bit of some upfront cost to get a software and to actually fund your Binance account to start trading. So make your choice. Both of them are great. I'm here to help you no matter which one you want to do. And, since you're a beginner, that's awesome. I love to teach. I love to help. So make sure to click either link in the description below. Manual, day trading, freecryptouniversity.com. Do it automatically while you sleep on autopilot, justinleontemple.com, and I will be assisting you all the way along the way. So make it a great day. And this has been Justin on BitZone, talking about how to trade Bitcoin for beginners. So make sure to like this video, subscribe, hit the bell notification for future videos where I share lots of information on how to help you in the crypto space. And make sure to comment anything you have questions about. If you hate this video, let me know. If you're a troll just looking to spam some bad comments, go ahead and do that, because that helps this video rank higher, because YouTube actually has no idea what you're talking about. They just care that they see engagement. So if you hate this video, let me know. I love haters. Haters make more winners. But for those of you that are serious, you've either clicked the link or you haven't. Have a good day. and I will see you on the next video. Make it a great day.